This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the essentials: the incident date, report number, and full names as listed. Once done, open the police department's public records portal or statewide crash/report system and choose the right category. Make sure to select the correct jurisdiction. Many sites separate city, county, and state records. If prompted, create a basic account with an email and password to keep a record of your request. This initial setup speeds the retrieval and ensures you hit the right dataset immediately. Next, you narrow the database using filters. Pick report type, date range, and jurisdiction. Then enter the incident number or victim/offender names. Use exact match or quotation marks for multi-word names to reduce noise. If results are numerous, apply additional filters like location or officer name. Once you find a matching entry, click the Detail view to preview redacted fields and attached documents. Make sure to review metadata, timestamps, and case status, so you know whether the report is final or pending. Finally, download the PDF or request an official certified copy if needed for court or insurance. You'll see redaction notes. Understand that personal data may be obscured for privacy. Save a local copy and note the record ID and retrieval timestamp for reference. If the file won't download or the report isn't visible, refresh, clear cache, or try another browser. If that fails, contact the Records Division directly or file a Freedom of Information request to obtain the document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.